Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I have a very exciting watch unboxing.
So until then, just wait.
If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, but mostly handbags. I love those. I'm unboxing a watch today, so if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you to consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And without any further ado, guys, let's get on into the video. Alright, I have been someone that's never really liked bracelets very much. I don't know what it is. I love rings. I like earrings now. I used to never just like jewelry. I used to be one of those people that was like,
oh my god, I don't want to wear anything extra.
I don't want to put anything else on. And I used to even be like, when I was in high school, I was never into fashion. I didn't really care. All this fashion stuff came about like while I was in college and after college. So I've gotten into earrings quite a lot. I've gotten into rings and necklaces. I love those now, but I still never really cared too much for bracelets because I was like, they're just gonna be in the way, you know, they're just gonna dangle around and they're gonna be in the way and it's not gonna be any fun. But my mind has changed once again because I keep seeing people with their watches. I see them everywhere. I see people unboxing their new Rolexes and unboxing their new Cartier watches and, you know, unboxing their new Hermes bracelet and their new this thing and everything. And then I was like, they look really nice on those people and I like it a lot actually. So I caved and I bought my first watch. Now, let me just say off the bat, this is not going to be like a super luxury fancy watch unboxing, okay? This is not going to be a Rolex unboxing. This is not going to be a Bulgari unboxing. This is not going to be a Cartier unboxing. It's just going to be a Larson & Jennings unboxing. I don't know who Larson & Jennings is. I think maybe they're based in the UK. I literally saw this on an Instagram ad when I was scrolling through stories, okay? And there was one that popped up and it was so freaking cute. I went to the website, I saw that it wasn't super expensive. It was like 250 bucks. And I put it in my cart and I checked to see if there were any discounts, and there were, and I was able to find a 50% off discount through Honey, not sponsored, but I can't believe I was able to find a 50% off discount, so I did, and I got it for $109. So here we are. I don't know if this is like a reputable watch brand. I don't know if it's like super popular. I don't know if since they had 50% off, if they're going out of business. I genuinely don't know. All I know is that I saw it and I liked it and I bought it. Here's what the box looks like. And this is not a true unboxing. I have already been wearing this and I had to actually get it resized as well. If you follow me on Instagram, then you will have already seen this watch. I haven't done an unboxing over there, but I did it on stories. I showed it on stories, but yeah, here it is, and let's go ahead and open it up. One of these days, I do think if I stay into watches and bracelets and stuff, I think eventually I would invest in like a vintage Rolex. My dog's eating, by the way, if you can hear that, I'm so sorry. But I would invest in like a vintage Rolex or like a Cartier watch or something. I do think the watches are really nice, but I just wanted to start off small. So when you open it up, here is what you get inside, and I do think this is just like a little card. And I think it's like an authenticity card. Yeah, or like to activate your warranty or whatever. And then here is the watch. She's really pretty, right? It is a 31mm watch. Band. I don't know if it's the band or if it's like the watch face. I know nothing about watches. I just know that it's very, very cute. I was honestly very scared that it was going to be too big. Not too big on my wrist, because it totally was too big on my wrist. My wrists are like chicken nuggets, they're tiny. But I was worried that the watch face was going to be too big. I didn't want anything like too big or too like out there or bold or anything like that. So I was like, ooh, I'm hoping this is still gonna be right. And I opened it up and my heart just sang and I was like, oh, she's so beautiful. So you take it out like this and it's actually really nicely packaged and everything. This, I believe, is just like stainless steel. It's not anything like gold or gold plate. Well, maybe it is gold plated or something, or I don't know, but I know it's stainless steel. And as you can see here, it is a gold band with a gold face. They did have one that was a gold band and a white face, and I thought that one was really pretty too, but then I saw this one and I was like, oh no, this one's the one that I want to get because it's gold on gold. It's just so pretty. And I did have to already get, the first day I got it 2 days ago, and I had to go to K Jewelers and get 2 links removed on both sides because it was just massive. But it is properly sized now and she is beautiful. Let me put her on. It has a snap closure like this in the back. You just kind of flip it and it sticks on, and look, it's like perfectly sized now. It has like a tiny little bit of wiggle room, but it's not going to go, like it's not going to rotate all the way across here. So it's not going to like, it's not free floating, if you know what I mean. It has like the tiniest little bit of wiggle room, and I think it's so pretty. Of course, I'll leave the link in the description if you want to look at this website yourself and shop for yourself. I got the Boyfriend Mini Gold 31mm, and the discount code that I used to get 50% off is FLASH50. So you can try using that if you want to. If you have like Honey installed, maybe it'll just do it for you. But if not, then just try that and you might get 50% off. It worked with me. But they have loads of different options in the boyfriend category. That's just the one that I like. They have other names, other styles as well, but they had one that was gold with a white face. If I have a picture, I'll put it right here. They have a mixed gold one that's like gold and silver, which is really cool, and the outline of the face has gold. And then they have one that is silver and rose gold, which is cool as well. And then they also have ones that have like a second loop. You know how you have like the Hermes watch band with the Apple Watch where it has like 2 loops? So they have one of those too. This makes no sense what I'm trying to say. But anyways, the one that I got, let me just read it here for you. So, oh, also, it says that when you purchase one, there's 1 tree planted. So that's really nice. I don't know how they do that, but that's really sweet. Basically, it says that it's stainless steel and it's gold plated metal. So it's not like solid gold. You definitely cannot, well, I wouldn't shower in your watch anyways because it has a battery, you know. I wouldn't work out in this. I wouldn't go in the pool. You can't do any of that. Basically, just pretend like this is something that you have to take off. Like my rings, I could leave on all the time. My necklaces, I could leave on all the time. But this, you would have to take off. This is not one that you can just wear all the time, whenever, wherever. It has to be taken care of because it is not real gold. But it's still just so cute, and I don't mind that it's not real gold, and I just like the way it looks. I'm actually thinking that the next thing I want to get for my left side here is I want to get the Hermes bracelet, the Hermes H bracelet, and I want to get it in gold and white. Ooh, it would look so good with this, next to this. So I think that's what I'm going to do next. Anyways, you guys, that's basically all I have today. I feel like this video was very short. I feel like the unboxing was really short. I will do some B-roll at the end here so I can show you fully what it looks like. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. And be sure to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye!